Today we are investigating into a topic that's been buzzing around health circles for quite some time, the incredible benefits of drinking lemon water daily. While it may seem like a simple concoction, the science behind its benefits is anything but ordinary. Join me as we explore the surprising ways lemon water can positively impact your health. Even the smallest changes in your routine can have a big impact on your health. Take starting your day with lemon water for instance. Internal medicine specialist discusses 7 reasons why you should consider adopting this super simple habit. Antioxidant and flavonoids. Lemons contain vitamin C, a powerful antioxidant, and are source of plant compounds called flavonoids, which have antioxidant and anti-inflammatory effects. Antioxidants are compounds that protect the body cell from damage. By reducing cell damage, antioxidants help to reduce the risk of many health conditions including cardiovascular disease, diabetes, obesity, and cancer. Antioxidants do this by mopping up free radicals, which are harmful disease-causing compounds in the body created by oxidative stress. Links with chronic inflammation with increased oxidative stress and the risk of certain health conditions including arthritis, diabetes, autoimmune conditions, and cancer. One reports that the antioxidant and flavonoids in citrus fruits can improve heart health and metabolic health markers including glucose tolerance, insulin sensitivity, and fat metabolism. Vitamin C is excellent for immune system function, wound healing, and helping the body absorb iron from foods. Kidney stones. Kidney stones are a buildup of minerals that collect in the kidneys. Increasing the amount of citrate in the body can help kidney stones from forming by stopping calcium from binding with other compounds. Lemon water contains high amounts of citrate. According to the National Institute of Diabetes and Digestive and Kidney Disease, research suggests that drinking lemon water prevents kidney stones. Not drinking enough water can increase the risk of kidney stones. Aids in digestion. Acid helps break down food. That's why there's so much of it in our stomach. The acid in lemons may be especially helpful in supplementing stomach acid levels, which tend to decline as we age. Helps you stay hydrated. Most of us don't drink enough water. A daily lemon water habit is an easy way to get your day off on the right foot. How do you know if you're drinking enough water? The urine is almost clear. Weight loss friendly. We are creatures of habit. Ponder the impact of replacing your morning coffee with lemon water. Not just once, but perhaps 20 times a month. And multiply that by 10 years. Your waistline will thank you. Prevents oxidation. Like all produce, lemons contain phytonutrients which protect your body against disease. These phytonutrients have powerful antioxidant properties which prevent cell damage from oxidation, the same mechanism that causes rust. Supplies a healthy dose of vitamin C. Juice half a lemon into your water and you'll add a mere 6 calories to your diet. Plus, you'll get more than a sixth of your daily vitamin C, which is needed to protect us from cell damage and repair injury. Provides a potassium boost. Your body can't function without potassium. It's necessary for nerve-muscle communication, transporting nutrients and waste, and blood pressure regulation. Fruits and vegetables are important sources of potassium. Helps prevent kidney stones. Lemon water helps prevent painful stones in those deficient in urinary citrate. More importantly, increased fluids help prevent dehydration, a common cause of kidney stone. Since lemon water is water with lemon juice, it has all the benefits of regular water. Drinking plenty of water. Prevent dehydration, which can contribute to mood changes, constipation, and brain fog. Help people maintain a moderate weight when replacing sugary drink. Lubricate the joints. Promote bodily waste extraction through urination, sweating, and bowel movements. Protect the spinal cord and tissues in the body. Help someone maintain a moderate temperature. How to enjoy lemon water? Simply squeeze half a lemon into a glass of water. How much and when? It really doesn't matter. Any way you do, it's a big plus for your health. By incorporating this simple yet potent elixir into your daily routine, you can harness the incredible benefits of nature's citrate gem and take proactive steps towards a healthier and happier life. So why not grab a lemon and start quizzing today? Your body will thank you for it. That's it for today's scientific exploration. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fascinating insights into the wonders of natural world. Until next time, stay curious and stay healthy.